Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX, guys, and you need to remove and replace the rear window wiper motor, guys, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that, everything from start to finish. Why we mention both of the vehicles? Because Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX, the procedure is practically the same for both of them. Simply because, guys, okay, they share the same platform, same design, many of the components will be the same as well. Quick introduction, guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, guys, we make at least 200 videos, we take them completely apart. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the links in the description of the video below and you can see where you can find all that listed there now. This is a 2009, guys, Ford Edge that we're talking about. The window motor, the rear wiper motor, guys, is located under the wiper actually, so we'll show you where it's located now, guys. We'll need to remove the wiper and then we'll continue on the inside. Stay with us now. What we need to do now, guys, right here, that cap, it has two things that get stuck there, so spread it a little bit. You can see these teeth, one here, one on the other side, they get stuck over there. We need to get a 13mm socket. We need to remove the nut for the wiper now, guys. Okay, go ahead and get the nut loose. Now, sometimes, guys, it's good to get a penetrating spray. This is a really good quality penetrating spray. We have the link in the description of the video below. Spray right here a little bit. Okay, and when we spray like that, it's going to soak in, guys. And it's important now to gently grab it. Okay, grab it. Okay, and pull it out. If it's stuck, you may need to use a puller, guys. We have a video on the channel how to use a puller, so we might need to do that. Okay, let me check it now to see if it's going to come out. It feels pretty stuck, guys, so we'll need to actually get the puller and be able to pull it out. What we will do, we will grab it like that. Okay, and here we'll be removing it, guys. So let's do that now. Okay, we need to go ahead and actually position it there. Okay, came loose, guys. Perfect, you can see just like that. Now, next thing, guys, we need to open the trunk. We need to remove the trunk cover. Stay with us, that trunk panel, and we'll continue. So now, guys, we need to remove that plastic cover, the whole cover. Here in that handle we have two screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove those. Once we, guys, remove those, okay, we have two more that we need to remove after that. The other two are located right here. Okay, and those are missing already, guys. Now, I don't think we have any clip, screws holding. We get a plastic panel removal too. We pry it down. Okay, there is a few clips, I can see them. Okay, perfect. A few of them came out, guys, so we will need to show you how to install them later. Okay, it's coming loose, guys. It's coming loose. Now, we have a few right there holding. Okay, two more clips in the middle, guys. So, okay, and you can see how they're holding. So we need to start on this side. Okay, right there. And we pull down, guys, and we go on the other side as well, the same thing. Okay, let's grab and pull down. Okay, but somebody needs to actually hold. Okay, we're trying to reach with the tool there. Okay, let me see if we hold it. That thing, guys, fell out. Careful not to get hurt, guys. Okay, this is the clip that fell out. This clip goes right here. Okay, let me show you. If you need to get a replacement clips, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now we need to remove these clips. Hold them with your hand because they'll fly away. Pull them out and install them on that panel, guys, and we will explain where all the clips are. We have two more that we need to remove. One over there. Perfect. And then we, guys, have okay, one over here. Perfect, guys. Okay, this one came out as well. Now, let us show you where all the clips are. Okay, we have a couple more that are actually missing, guys. Okay, that were not installed last time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 2 are missing and we have 2 and 2, 4 screws, and that whole cover, guys, okay, comes out just like that. The trunk panel removed, guys, we need to disconnect the wires for the window wiper. Okay, rear window wiper, go ahead, disconnect the motor, perfect. You just press in there and pull it out. Now all we need, guys, okay, is a 8mm socket. Go ahead and remove 4 bolts, 2, 3, and then the last one, 4. Oh, actually 3 bolts. Okay, my bad. 3 bolts, guys. 3 bolts only. Nothing else. Now grab it gently, pull it down, comes through the seal, and this is, guys, the window wiper motor assembly, okay, out of the car. Okay, you can see just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Okay, and let us show you the wiper. Okay, the whole assembly with the wiper, everything, okay, is right here, guys. Check it out. So pretty simple procedure. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.